Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Life Disney and Beyond. We're here at the Grand Californian Hotel. We're sitting on the pool.
Enjoying our life. We are at the brand new Craftsman Bar.
There it is.
It's brand new, so it's located right in the Grand Californian Hotel.
Yep.
It's next to Whitewater Snacks.
Yeah.
It's kind of on the pool deck area. If you're not a hotel guest, you can't go into the pool, sorry. But you get the next best thing.
Yeah, you can get a good view of it at least.
Yes, so there's a whole new menu. It's a little sit down. There's a beautiful bar area.
Yeah.
We're gonna try some of the alcoholic drinks and non-alcoholic drinks and some of the food and desserts. Let you know what we think.
And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, and for everybody who's not new, welcome back. We are glad to have you here. So I hope you're all ready to eat with us and have a good time.
And we brought our big guns with us today, our backup. There he is, Pixar Charlie.
Are you ready?
Glad to be here. I'm ready to get the grub on.
All right, dude. You're in for it, buddy.
All right, so let's start by showing you the new menu. Here it is.
Oh.
I'm really excited about it. There is too many things for us to eat all in one sitting, so we kind of just picked stuff that we thought would be good. I think this is what I'm gonna try next time. It's a Maine lobster quesadilla. We decided to try the chicken skewer. And then Charlie got the, what did you get, Charlie?
Double baked beef nachos, right?
The beef nachos.
Yeah.
And then we also got the sliders because we thought that would be good. I also want to try the avocado toast. Those look really good. They have some artisanal pizzas.
And they look like that good thin crust pizza that we get at Whitewater. It looks similar.
Yeah, it's probably from the same kitchen, so I'm assuming that's another reason we didn't try that yet. They have some really good options for the kids here.
Yeah, they do.
Which normally they only get like 2 options. There's actually 6 options, which is great. We have heard the servers raving about all of the desserts, especially the cookie fingers.
Oh boy.
So we might just all pick a dessert and try all 3, and you might get lucky. I feel like we could do it, double cheese fatty crew.
Yeah.
And then there's a very, very extensive bar menu. So we'll kind of flip through there real quick and show you what all the drinks look like on the menu. I'm not gonna do a whole, giant thing, but at least you can kind of see.
Yeah.
And then if you see what you ordered, point it out to us.
We passed it, but that's fine.
All right. They all look really, really good. I don't even drink, but like, if you just look at, does that not look good?
Yeah, it looks like a classic tiki menu where they show you the picture of the drink itself, which I like.
I love that we got the chai tea latte and coffee, and I love that they have really good looking, interesting options for non-alcoholic drinks. I went with the citrus grape spritzer. These all look really good. And of course your beers, hard cider, lots of wines because of course we're at the Grand Californian, so woo, look at all those spirits.
Spirits from Haunted Mansion? What?
Yes. And then I'm guessing these are just the little bar bites. It's the same thing that's on that menu.
Sure. Katie was saying that this whole area, the pool and the look of the architecture, it's all kind of based on the Gamble House in Pasadena. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
And it's got that classic Craftsman style, but the big chunky looking wood and kind of wildernessy style. You'll see it a lot in Silver Lake and parts of Los Angeles.
I love it. It's nice and open and airy.
Yeah.
The only thing is though, is if you're here midday, no shade.
All right, Charlie, there is the nachos, the beef nachos in a, look at that thing. They said don't touch it because it's hot.
Yeah, it's warm.
Pretty hot?
It's warm.
I like the presentation in that.
You got the beef mixed in, some jalapenos, some guac.
Looks really good.
Scallops.
Look at that, they're hiding the jalapenos. Watch out.
Yeah, I know.
It comes in a trough.
It comes in a trough.
And that thing goes all the way down. It looks like.
That is a whole thing.
Look, and they even gave you tongs because it's like legit that you need tools.
All the way down.
Tools of the trade right there.
You want to know the best part about this meal?
Yeah, what?
It comes with a hidden Mickey.
Oh my gosh, what? That's what's up right there. All right, and there are the sliders. They look good.
Yeah, here. You want some sliders? Here you go.
Slide them on over. It's even on a little slider tray.
So there's some pickled vegetables. That looks good. Let's read what it says on the menu.
Okay.
It says that they are American Wagyu. Is it Wagyu?
Wagyu, yeah.
Wagyu. Oven roasted tomato, vegetable relish, spiced hollandaise, Swiss, artichoke aioli, and pickled vegetables.
All right.
Well, that looks good.
There's Katie's non-alcoholic drink right there.
It's a citrus grape drink, and it comes with some blueberries in it.
I like it.
Let's try it.
They were shaped in a Mickey when they arrived. They floated away a little bit, but they
There, it kind of works.
kind of cool.
We do this every time. Now, let's see how it tastes. Wow, that's really good.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh.
What does it taste like?
I'll be ordering that again. Like a melted blue popsicle.
Oh, all right.
Everything I have at Disney somehow ends up being like a melted popsicle.
It's the color of the pool too. Look at that. All right, and there is my Craftsman Garden. It's tequila, basically mezcal, and some other things that I'll show you in the menu right there. Little sprigs of something.
Thyme, I think.
I don't have time.
What time is it?
And Charlie got the Mai Tai.
That one is gorgeous.
Grand Mai
The
Tai?
Grand Mai Tai.
Grand Mai.
Complete
it's
with
not
the
just
flower.
any Mai Tai.
Yeah, that's the Grand.
It's a Grand.
And you know, it looks like the correct color for a Mai Tai, because a lot of times you see them done and they're bright red. That is not the traditional Mai Tai. This looks like the traditional kind of Mai Tai. And there's the chicken skewer. Look at that. I can smell it. It's very Mediterranean with the spices. Looks yummy. A lot of chicken there. Little salad on the side. And maybe some sort of tahini. I'm not sure what that is, but looks good. All right, Katie's going for a slider bite. Let's see what she thinks.
Let's do this. That is so good.
Let's see.
It tastes like it was barbecued.
Ah,
Like grilled.
it looks
You know what
good.
I mean? Great combination of flavors. I'm gonna put a pickled onion on here.
Okay.
Really good.
All right, Charlie. I think it's time. I think.
All right, let's
see
go
what
for
you got
something good here.
All right.
We got a little of that.
He's making the ultimate bite. I see what he's doing here.
Ultimate loaded bite.
Piece of beef on
All
there.
right.
A little guac.
Whack.
Guac, no jalapeno. Don't do the jalo.
I don't either.
They're hidden jalapenos, like hidden Mickeys.
It's like a hidden bomb.
Yeah.
The chips are very, very heavy chips. They're thick.
Okay.
I feel like they're like homemade
Oh,
kind
good.
of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. They're kind of hollow inside, so they're, like they're fried here.
Yes. We like that.
Got some melted cheese on there. Let's go for a bite.
All right.
That was like a great bite.
The crisp sounded nice too in the bite.
All the flavors together. Excellent. The flavor of the beef, very good.
Nice.
Well seasoned.
All right.
Very good mixture.
Gets the Charlie approval, guys. Pixar Charlie approved.
So tell us what the sauce is. You have to just dip that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this end piece.
Oh, that's a good idea. Deconstruct it.
Do it with a fork. I'll try to be civilized. All right, I got an end piece here. Let's see what the sauce is. I think it's tahini.
What do you think?
Chicken's really good. Like it doesn't need anything.
It
Flavors.
looks really good.
Flavor's really good. I think it's tahini. I'm sure. Let me check
It's
again.
not mayonnaise. Just check out that it's not a mayonnaise.
It's mayonnaise based.
It is
Yeah, but like lemony.
lemony, like garlicky type thing.
Yeah.
It looks really good. And is that just like a salad? I guess you could load it all on the pita, which I might do before I take a bite
You know
of
what
it.
you can do? You can take like a little piece of the pita,
Yeah. Load some chicken and some of the...
right? Make a magic bite out of it, right?
I want a magic bite.
All right, I'm making Katie's magic bite.
Make me a magic bite. Make me a magic bite. Oh, I don't know if I wanted that part. I want the vegetable.
Oh, you want vegetable with it?
That's what I want. Oh. I'm gonna take a big bite and love this. That is so good.
It's really good, right?
I like that.
Can we get the ding?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do the ding.
You and Katie
All
always
right,
do the
ready?
ding?
It's a proper Life Disney style. Here we go, Charlie. Ha ha!
Oh wow, that's good too. Everything so far is very good.
You're right about that grilled flavor. Really nice.
Right?
I could have 2 trays of these to myself.
Like when they brought me out there,
Yeah.
I was kind of like, yeah, thank God you guys got more food because
Yeah, and
the girl needs more.
it's a really nice bun too.
Yeah, it is. Very light. It's not heavy.
The boys are about to have their drinks because we already know mine was delicious as
We're gonna get
it's
a
already
drink again.
down.
We went fancy. We have to have plant life in our drinks.
That's right.
Clearly.
Very
And cheers, Charlie.
Cheers.
Okay. Charlie's holding it like it's a little baby. Like he was supporting it. Like he needs to support the beautiful.
Very good.
This is good too. It's super refreshing.
I didn't expect them to not be good. They just look delicious.
Switch.
Okay. We'll see if somebody's lying.
Ooh, yeah, that's a good Mai Tai. I've had a few.
I like mine.
It's a
I like Mai Tai.
Give it back.
Do you like yours more? Which one do you like the best out of both of them? You like that one best.
I do. This is really refreshing. It's like you don't even taste the alcohol in it. It's
Oh,
like
all
you just
right.
pound it.
Good.
That's scary part.
By the way, if you're hearing some stuff, there's a Pluto dance party over there. Hold on, let's see if we can zoom you in so you can see him. Yeah, there's a gal on the mic, and Pluto's just going to town at the pool, having a good old time. He's partying. So that's what you're hearing if you're hearing anything.
So far, you guys, the big hit is the nachos because of the size of it also. And clearly the burgers were a hit because they're gone.
I just wish they were...
You just wish there were more of them.
Size, yeah, or
Yeah.
bigger size.
Yeah.
Because it was that good that they were so small. If you were just to get this as your main entree, and I didn't have this other food, I'd still be starving.
Sure.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I have a big appetite. And I wonder if there's like layers under here. That's why I'm curious. Like,
Looks like there is.
chips or...
Looks like there's some.
Look at this.
Yeah, they layered
Buried
it.
under
You know,
here.
sometimes
Oh my
nachos
gosh.
are just on the top,
my
but they
God.
layered it. Look at that.
Oh my.
That's awesome.
Look at Charlie just got so excited
Yeah.
right now.
He's got a fork
like,
and he's using his hands. He's like, he's got his tools. He's ready.
Hold on, get your...
Yeah, I got my thumb.
There you go.
Oh, dude.
Watch out.
There we go.
Yep, this is how you do it right here.
He's like, this trough is big enough for the
Such a such a
These are cookie dippers.
So it's like a chocolate chip cookie stick.
Yeah. And you can dip it. All right, everybody.
yeah, we mixed the dough. Hopefully you guys
Take a
enjoy
piece of a
yourselves.
dip.
All right.
Okay,
It's
pick
a-
your sauce. I'm going
Hold
with
on, we gotta
chocolate.
cheers.
Oh, cheers.
And yeah.
Going chocolate.
All right, I'll go the one nearest to me. Looks like strawberry.
Pudding. This looks like chocolate pudding.
Oh boy, that's good, I can tell you.
It's chocolate pudding though. That's good. You like pudding. Oh! Charlie did both.
Oh, of course.
Gotta be different.
What do you think?
Actually, not bad.
All right, there it is, the churro waffle sundae. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. That thing is legit.
Alright, let's do this. Everybody, I'm trying to get a piece of waffle.
You're kind of trying to get the everything bite. All
It's hard though.
right, little piece of waffle.
You gotta really...
You almost need a knife.
I think I got it. Okay. Except
right.
everything except the churro, which is fine.
Everything but the churro.
Almost got it. Oh, smart, Charlie.
You play for me.
Yeah, make sure to order a knife with this, you guys, or make sure you keep a knife around because you're gonna want to kind of divvy it up like this.
Just dissecting it.
Explosion of flavor. Yummy. Alright guys, we're gonna dig in. As you can see, the continuous nod tells us that you're loving it.
All right, there's that chocolate covered strawberry that has been just waiting.
Oh, melted. You got it all over me. It melted.
She's got a hidden Mickey.
You got a hidden Mickey on me.
Is it good strawberry though?
Yeah, it's a good strawberry. It's just melted.
Okay, well that wraps it up. We had a lot of food. We tried it out. I thought it was great.
I really liked it too. I think the vibe is great. The wait staff is fantastic.
I mean, look at this view.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
It's beautiful. The live music is really, really nice.
Yeah.
So hopefully they're playing when you come. We still have to come back and try a lot more food.
Oh yeah.
And I'm excited about that.
And if you guys try something, please let us know in the comments what we should try next time if you show up here.
Yes. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit your subscribe button. When you do, turn on those what?
Notifications.
Don't forget. And if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll link all the information right there in the description box below.
We will, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.